My viewers, today plan is to do some coconut rice and peas. So when I say coconut rice and peas, I mean coconut rice and peas. And you have to follow me to get the recipe of this coconut rice and peas that I am gonna do. And also I am gonna do some Guinness punch. So if you look here, you see me have Guinness and sweet milk and nutriment. So I'm gonna do some Guinness punch. I'm gonna do some curry chicken. So I have some curry, some chicken wings and some chicken. So I'm gonna do some curry chicken. I'm gonna do some Guinness punch, and I'm just gonna do some coconut rice and peas. Now, follow me because my coconut trash, I am not gonna throw away my coconut trash. My coconut trash gonna cook into the rice and peas. So follow me and see how me do it. So it's curry chicken with coconut rice and peas and Guinness punch. Follow me today and the recipe. And just like, share, comments, and subscribe to the channel Coconut Rice and Peas. Alright? So follow me. So my viewers, I'm getting now with the cooking. So at the moment, I have all my natural seasoning cut up in here. All natural seasoning. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the coconut. I'm gonna break the coconut and then box it out. So as the continue to follow me, my viewers, you know, as the coconut, you have a piece of rolling pin stick. Look at that, viewers, you never see this one before. Look at that, the coconut break and all the ox. Whoa, look at that. I knock the coconut and I break it and everything break out. Water in it, a joke, look, water leaking out of it. And look at the ox. I don't have to ox the coconut, it ox itself. Look at that, my viewers. The coconut come out whole lot. It's not often this happen where you break a coconut and it come out like that. Look at that. Wow. That's made my life so easy. I don't have to ox the coconut. I just have to just water in it. Yeah. So all I have to do now is just cut it up. Look, water come out of it. And it's nice, look at that. Really pretty. Yeah, so all I have to do now is just cut it up and put it in the blender. Yeah. Just literally cut it up and put it in the blender. So today, as I said, I'm doing some coconut rice and peas. So follow me on the journey and see how I do this one. And remember I said in front of me here, you have the Guinness punch we're gonna make as well. So once I do the coconut, put it on the fire, put my peas in, season it up, put my rice in, I have all my natural season cut up already that I'm gonna use today. So just follow me. Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing. And also leave a comments. Let me know what you think about my video today. Have you ever cooked coconut rice before? Yeah, add that in it. Let me know. Alright, so my coconut finished cut up. Wash my hand. Get out my blender. Here is my blender. Yep. So I'm gonna add my coconut to the blender now. So I'm using the water from the coconut as well. And then I'm gonna add some water onto it. Yeah. So my viewers, continue. Everything going down well today. Right? Alright. So I'm gonna blend this more than one time. Keep following me. Here, whilst I blend this, some of the milk gonna go into the curry chicken. Yep. Some of the milk gonna go into the curry chicken. Yes, I strain that off. Rinse off my hand again before I dip it in that. Yes, my viewers. Although I'm juicing out this, but everything gonna add back together. Blend this again. Some water in it. Yeah. So my viewers, this is how it goes. We got the pot for the rice and peas. Okay, my viewers, I think I'll give this one more. Oh, that's all right. One more little juice out of that. Get out all the milk out of it, although I'm putting the trash in it as well. I'm getting all the juice out of the coconut. So what I'm gonna do now, my viewers, that blending there now, that's gonna throw straight into the pot. I'm gonna add the milk into the pot, some of the milk, some for the curry chicken, and then I'm gonna add the peas in it. I'm gonna season it up, but I will show you as I go ahead. So let me come back to you right now, yeah? So see them, my viewers, the pot is on the fire, the coconut milk is in it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you when I'm adding the rest of stuff in. So continue to follow me. So now I'm gonna add the peas. So I have 3 tin of peas. Three tin of peas. Okay. So now I have all the natural seasoning here. So I'm gonna add some of this in it and the rest is with the curry chicken. Yep. So the rest is with the curry chicken. So when this boils up, I'm gonna cover this now. As soon as that boils up, I'm gonna put in all my seasoning in it. So while that I go on come to the garden, I'm gonna get the other pot for the curry chicken. Yeah. So this is the pot for the curry chicken. That's the pot for the curry chicken. Everything. So this is the chicken. That's gonna go into the wash and everything already. So that's going into the mixture now. And all of that gonna just mix up. I'm gonna season up that. Season up that. So I'm gonna put all my mixture seasoning onto that now. So I don't want the video too long, so I'm gonna come back to you as soon as I finish all of that. Okay, see what's going on. So my viewers, look at this. That's my curry chicken. That's my curry chicken. So now this is gonna go into the pot. It's gonna go into the pot. So I'm gonna put some coconut milk into the pot. So we have a cup of coconut milk for the curry chicken. Yep. Yep, that's how it goes. So now the chicken going straight into that for curry down. Chicken goes straight into that for curry down. Follow me, my viewers. Everything I cook down to curry. Right down to curry today. Now my seasoning out, I'm going to put some water into it. So I'm just wash up all my seasoning because I'm not wasting any of the seasoning today. So the bowl, shake it with the water. Alright. So now I'm gonna give that a little stir. A wooden spoon. I'll give it a little stir. Make sure everything. Wow, look at that, my viewers. Look at that. I think I have to bring the camera over here to show you this, my viewers. You have to bring the camera over here. Look at that, my viewers. The coconut milk, the curry, the seasoning, everything is in that. That's the curry chicken wing. Yep. Let that boil up. And then we come back to that. Let me go and finish up over the rice pot. And then we have the Guinness punch to do as well. So alright, my viewers, I'm gonna show you where me at now. So over here, 2 pot of bubble. So this is the curry chicken over here. Look at that, my viewers. The curry chicken is going like, look at that. See, my viewers, that is the curry chicken pot. Let me take a snap of it. That's the curry chicken pot. Alright, cover back the one there. And have a look into the rice pot now. Have a look into the rice pot now. Look at that milk a bubble up in it. Coconut rice. Remember me say, my viewers, all the coconut trash is in that. The juice, the seasoning, everything in that. It's called coconut rice. Yeah? How about that? Let me go now over here. Now I'm gonna do the Guinness punch and come back with it over here. The sweet milk, the Guinness and the nutriment. So now I am gonna do the mix up now for the punch. Alright? Come back to you with this one. So now my viewers, I'm doing the Guinness punch now. So I just put the sweet milk in and I'm washing out the tin. I use the same Guinness to wash out the sweet milk tin. Use the same Guinness to wash out the tin. So what I done here, I use 2 Guinness because I am not an alcohol person. So I use 2 Guinness, 2 nutriment and 1 sweet milk. Yeah. So that is how we do it because I don't like my drink too strong. Because I can't drink a tin of Guinness on its own. I have to mix it. So I use 1 tin of nutriment to 1 Guinness if I'm just making something just for me alone. Let me get a longer spoon. I use a wooden spoon. Yep. Alright, so now I'm gonna add one more Guinness nutriment to put into this. Leave back a little bit because I don't want when I'm stirring it go over. So look at that. So now may I have the nutmeg. And I have the vanilla spice. So the nutmeg, and we have the vanilla spice. Alright. Some nutmeg. I have the natural nutmeg, but I can't bother for the grater. But I have the real nutmeg from back in Jamaica. So that's it. That is it. Alright, so now I can add in the rest of my stuff in here now. Because I can take the time to stir that. Not too sweet, so I like it. Alright, let me go and check back on the patio wire now. Check back on the patio wire. Alright, my viewers. So again, we have the curry pot over here. Doing very good. Very good. And the rice and peas pot is over here. So now I'm gonna go and get the rice wash and ready for this one. Alright, catch you. So the rice is washed, my viewers. See the rice is washed, and now I'm gonna enter it into the pot. Make that one simmer down with the gravy. Alright, so I'll catch up with you later, my viewers. So my viewers, as you can see, what I've done, when I use these water buckles, I keep them. So when I make the Guinness punch, I buckle them up in it and I put them into my fridge. So it's either when I'm going to sit down with my nuts, or when I'm going to have my dinner, or when somebody come around, they get one. So these go straight into the fridge and keep cool. Yeah, that's how I do it. So continue to follow, like and share, yeah? So alright, my viewers, see that's the coconut rice and peas, yeah? Coconut rice and peas. Remember me said the coconut trash is in it as well as the coconut milk. So yeah, that is it. Coconut rice and peas. Alright, I'm going to take a look in the curry chicken and see what's going on over there. Alright, I'm going to take a look at the curry chicken and see what's going on over there. Yes, my viewers, look at that. The curry chicken pot. Curry chicken wing. That coming to come, look at that. That coming to come. Coming right down to gravy, look at that. Curry chicken wing. Yeah, man. That's how me do it, you know. So remember, we have the Guinness punch to go along with this. So my viewers, the boat is land. As you can see, the coconut rice and peas is here. Let me go closer into it, show you. Remember me say the coconut trash is in it. The milk, rich. And then over here, we have the curry chicken wing. Yeah, that is it. So let me come up high and take a picture of the pot. All right, so I'm going to show you some of that. I'm going to be alone in the home right now. They're going to a party, so the house is going to come back full. But I don't think I will do a video when everybody come back because these people don't like to be on camera, so I just cook and eat mine, yeah? All right. See them, my viewers, that's my one. I'm going to go in at that now. See steam coming out of it? I'm going straight into that now. Look at that, my viewers. Coconut rice and peas. Let me come around and show you right into the rice. See that? Coconut rice and peas with Guinness punch. Yeah. See them, my viewers, this is my plate. I'm gonna have a taste now. As you can see, my viewer, you need to taste this. It's my plate. All right, my viewer, that is it. That is enough. I'm out. My viewers, I have to show you my plate. But before I leave, let me show you the last of my little Guinness punch that left in the cup. Let me just finish it up. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And if it's your first time coming across this channel and you're not yet subscribed, it would be so nice if you could do so now and be a part of this family. And thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And I will catch you in the next video. God bless you all. Catch you in the next video.